pointing at me. I just
Pick somebody that don't need it. I've been running back every day.
See it? Y'all both see it? Heads, tails.
All right, go ahead.
All right, call it in there.
Tails.
They not in the staging lane at 8 o'clock, they lose, they not in the staging lane. They not in the staging lane. If it's 8 o'clock, they're not in the staging lane. They still working on that, get the car to charger, they didn't lose. It's 8 o'clock, they're not in the staging lane. They owe me 500. They owe me 500, they not in the, they still working on your car, got on charger, and it's 8 o'clock, they owe me 500, you owe me 500, bro. We locked in 500 or 3,500 for 8 o'clock. They not in the staging lane.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, breathe.
Alright, y'all. Mikey made this shakedown. I didn't think it looked good. None of us in the crew thought it looked good, but the number said otherwise, but they'll figure it out. I'm sure they be on top of their shit. Now we finna watch Yak and Lil Mo, who they race and make they shakedown. We gonna see. Yeah, that was a pretty solid pass from Lil Mo. Both drivers made solid passes. Both still got room to work, you know? Put it in the comments what y'all like. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. They both got work to do. All right, shakedown number 2. Let's see if John Drew did his magic on the computer, y'all. Let's see. They say he got magic fingers. We gonna see. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Hey, you worked your magic, baby. Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's gonna be a good one.
That shit look a little better right there.
It's gonna be a good one. It's definitely gonna be a good one. Put it in the comments who you like right now. Put it in the comments. Who you like, Yak and the Monte Carlo, or you like Berdino and the Mustang? Who you like?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, breathe. 4. I got 900.
9? Oh, wait. 2, 3, 600.
So Mike, yeah, okay, Mike.
6 for me.
Make it a G for Mike.
So make it a what? I'm 6.
Just I'm gonna put another
Hey,
100.
he's not.
You can put 100 on it. There's another 100, 1,000. Hands will put 100. No, we got 1,000.
So now you're down you.
No, I'm just putting down.
So I got 600. And they got a G.
Yeah. Okay, what you got down there? I got me 300, Boom got 300, Ant got 6, you got 5, my dad got 9, Angelo got 1. Okay. Pete and Boochie got 5. Would you bet another nigga?
Yeah, another 100 on me.
So Boom got 4. Hey, get that money for Pete! Get baby the money. Are they putting their bet together? I'm trying to see what we got. Hey, Yak. Hey, Yak. I ain't calling no motherfucker Jerome. What y'all doing this for? What you worry about it for? You ain't got nothing to do with this race, motherfucker. Go ahead and talk to them niggas. You ain't got nothing to do with this.
I'm talking to you.
You ain't got nothing to do with this. What am I, Jerome? You got 47. 47? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. You put gas in the car? Yes. Get in the staging lane, dude. Get your head and put in the staging lane, Mike. Do all that shit over there. Hey, Vaughn, we got 40. I think 40, yeah. No, you said like 47. 47. It's 40. It's something 40-something. I told them already. I told Yak already. Hey, Vaughn, so we like at 500 or 3,500 better for 8 o'clock, right? Yeah. Okay, they not in the staging lane at 8 o'clock. They lose, Vaughn. They not in the staging lane. They not in the staging lane. If it's 8 o'clock, they're not in the staging lane. They still working on that. Get the car to charger. They didn't lose. It's 8 o'clock. They're not in the staging lane. They owe me 500. They owe me 500. They not in. They still working on your car. Got on charge on it. It's 8 o'clock. They owe me 500. You owe me 500, bro. We locked in 500 or 3,500 for 8 o'clock. They not in the staging lane. All right. Okay. All right. He said they ain't ready. They're gonna pay the 500.
That's what they want. They ain't want to pay it anyway.
That's what they wanted to do
anyway.
They said they're not ready. They're gonna pay the 500 dollars. I just told Vaughn we locked in 500. They're not in the stadium lane. They lose. Vaughn don't pay y'all the 500. We ain't gonna run and pay y'all the 500. They just say he gonna pay the 500. They ain't gonna racist. Vaughn said they ain't gonna run. Vaughn put on Facebook and said the car ain't right.
What? Bitch ass motherfucker.
Vaughn put on Facebook and said the car ain't right.
Hey, somebody put a loss on this shit. Fuck Lil Mo took a goddamn loss today.
Wait. Let's make sure first.
No, it's bad.
He gonna Vaughn calling back right here. They said the car's here. Hold on. What up, Vaughn?
That's what he texted.
Hey, man, it's 8 o'clock, man. Look what time they say. It's 8 o'clock, they're not in the staging lane. Show the light, show the camera right here, man. They're not in the staging lane, man. It's 8 o'clock, man. They're not in the staging lane, Vaughn. They lose, man.
It's too late.
If they lose, Vaughn, it's 8:01. It's 8:01. See what time it is? They still in the fucking staging lane. They lose, Vaughn. They owe me 500, Vaughn. You owe me 500, Vaun.
We still racing.
Okay. I come to your house and get it.
So we still racing.
All right. Vaughn's gonna pay that 500. Come to the house and get it.
Well, good. Well, now Lil Mo got one loss on their shit, so now.
All right, put hand.
They put that in.
Oh, y'all lost that one, so now we got that chance to go. Dad, look like no more.
We cool. Vaughn's gonna pay that. Vaughn's gonna pay that.
Shit, no, I want to make sure that shit.
No, you ain't worried about that.
So you need to call Vaughn. Hey, you call Vaughn till we think for the run. You think they better on the side.
No, because they do
call
the
Vaughn.
same shit.
Hey, listen to me, man. Call Vaughn at Vaughn. You think they better on. Cause he paid the first bet off. To make sure he got the bet on.
You pay the lockup off.
You paid the lockup off, right? That's it. If you and him still got the same bet on. That's all now he left you, man. Hey, man, it's on video, man. You're not here, man. We talking already, yeah.
Come on, I got one. See it? Y'all both see it? Heads, tails.
All right, go ahead.
All right, call it in there.
Tails. Tails.
Tails.
Pay that 500.
You were not here at 8, you were here at 8:01.
I can see we put up at 18.
It ain't my motherfucking problem. It ain't my motherfucking problem.
Y'all humbugging over 500.
It ain't
Y'all
my
need 500 that bad.
problem. It ain't my problem.
I know you don't need it, but whoever locked in.
Hey, bro, nobody needs. There's rules, goddammit.
Come on,
The
man.
fuck?
Y'all
There's rules. So what? So you mean to tell me? So you mean to tell me that we celebrate? So hold on, man. So nobody got an out of time no more, right?
That's why you smile. That's why you smile. That's why you smile.
Come on, man. They fucking time. That's why we got time. What? It don't matter. It don't matter, bro. They times.
Right now, put it in the comments. He don't got enough. Come on. He ain't got enough.
They thought they was gonna fuck with us. Fuck y'all go.
He ain't got enough. Good job, Drew. Good job, bro.
Mustang move first.
Mike, you treat his ass, boy. Good job, Mikey.
Wow, motherfucker, yeah. Hey, what the fuck y'all do? Y'all supposed to gap us, y'all some bad motherfuckers till y'all met us. Gap, baby, gap, bitch. Gap, bitch. But y'all didn't want to bet like that. Fuck that, get that bitch. We got that weak bitch. Y'all didn't want to bet like that. Y'all got that money. Y'all got that money. I told Mac on jump ass. We was gonna get 60 for you.
What he do, Nate?
Hey, Nate, what he say? He's 60 good.
Hey, boy.
Tell me to gap it. Gap that bitch. He got that weak bitch.
He moved on him too down here.
I know he moved on the weak ass.
There go the man behind it.
Goddamn right. Goddamn right.
There go the magician behind it.
There go
respect me around this bitch. MDK. Get that bitch. I tell you what, whip that weak motherfucker. Y'all weak as well water. You weak motherfuckers. Hey, Shawty, what I tell you? He got that bitch. I thought you gonna move on him too. I thought you gonna move on him.
Oh, no, you have a heart attack.
Fuck it, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yeah. Fuck Lil Mo. Fuck Lil Mo. I killed Lil Mo. I killed Lil Mo.
Tell him hold
I killed Lil Mo. Lil Mo dead. Lil Mo dead and no dog. I killed that bitch. Fuck Lil Mo. Lil Mo killer.
Hey.
Lil Mo killer.
Hey, those people dead. Hey, he got that bitch.
Subscribe to the channel, man. Midwest Mafia, subscribe. Like the video.
Got that bitch. Hey, yeah. Hey. How that mean?
I'll be a fan of one, man.
Hey. Drop that 4700. Take your load and give it up.
Hey, after that loss, y'all. Got y'all ass. That fuck you talking about?
Listen, man, y'all ain't done shit. We still got all the money. Y'all want one motherfucking race. We still getting in the race. You ain't done shit.
I know I was.
Y'all the whole time. Y'all the whole time.
Yeah. Man, fuck your couch. 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 Get your ass. Fuck your couch. Fuck your couch. Fuck your couch.
Throw that shit.
California shout. No, I want space.
Hey, don't do that shit.
California shout.
Hey, sorry, Lynn.
California shouting. Got that motherfucker, Jerry. That's 2,000, Jerry.
How much that?
2,000.
Need the bank. He got it.
MDK? Run this motherfucker. MDK, motherfucker. They got the break at the back door. Fuck. 3,000. Go get the break at the back door. Fuck. Not doing business with you.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Y'all get back some type of way.
We're gonna take that. We're gonna take that same black car that y'all whooped me with and beat the fuck out y'all tomorrow. Not getting beat the fuck out y'all tomorrow. You ran the first time?
Yeah, we did. And we got away. Why we gonna come back?
Y'all got money, man.